Creative Cloud is a suite of creative software applications used by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Here is how you can download and install the Creative Cloud app on your PC. Open your web browser and go to the Adobe website. Click on the Creative Cloud option in the main menu or search for it using the website search function. If you already have an Adobe ID, sign into your account. If not, you'll need to create one to proceed. Depending on your needs, select the subscription plan for Creative Cloud. Adobe offers various plans with different features and pricing options. Once signed in and subscribe, look for the download link for the Creative Cloud desktop app. Click on it to begin the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and double-click on it to run the installer. Follow any prompts in the installation wizard to install the Creative Cloud app on your PC. After installation, launch the Creative Cloud app and sign in with your Adobe ID and password to access your account. By following these simple steps, you can easily download and install the Creative Cloud app on your PC, granting you access to a wide range of Adobe creative software and services. Happy creating! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.